Hi! So if you guys bought our duo set or our big large starter set, it usually comes with a 16-ounce bottle and for eucalyptus and spearmint, and it comes with these little 2-ounce bottles. So I'm going to teach you guys how to mix the 2-ounce bottles for the 16-ounce bottles. Try it out. Come with me. So one of the things I really recommend is distilled water. Distilled water is at its purest, and it does the most effective, cleanest job. So if you want to get that shine that you're looking for, or the no haze on the mirrors, this is what I recommend, is distilled water. Sometimes a lot of the stuff in the tap water is not good, and my product with the hydrogen peroxide in it tries to combat everything in the water. So distilled water works the best. So let's do this up. Take your bottle out, always check your bottle. We sanitize them and clean them each time before we even mail them out to your house. But sometimes, like this one, I could still see a little bug that got into it. So I always recommend just making sure you wipe it out and make sure it's clean, so no more bugs. And then I recommend these you don't need gloves with. The 4X one, you do need gloves just because it's super strong. But these little 2 ounces, all you need is half this bottle. This is just a teaser and a tester. So all you do is pour in half the bottle. I try to make them simple. And your directions are also in the back. So half the bottle of the cleaner, and you can get 2 refills with this 2-ounce one. So half in the bottle, so it should look like right about that much. Then you're gonna use distilled water to fill up your spray bottle. And I usually fill it up right to close to the rim. So it should look like right there. Put your spray bottle on, and you're ready to rock and roll, and you can enjoy PÜR Evergreen cleaner. Reach out if you have any questions.